So what this is all about is a boat that swims like a fish with the fewest number of moving parts. Engineers have known since the 80s that fish can swim more efficiently than propellers, but how do you connect the motor to the fin without a whole bunch of parts? Because parts are bad. And my objective with this was to make a craft where I was the motor and driving the fin, and to figure out a way for a human motor to drive the fin without a whole bunch of parts. And yes, there are human-powered watercraft that swim like fish, but they have pedals, and like even a simple pedal system is too many parts. And what's my frame of reference? MIT has made boats that swim like fish with very few parts, or as few as they could achieve, and they had too many, and they weren't able to achieve the efficiency of fish. And so with this human-powered watercraft, I had several iterations before this. I've got it down to basically one moving part, which is the entire hull. The outriggers keep it vertically oriented, which is a quirk of people that we don't like to be down in the water. And they also provide steering. So that's, and all Caitlin and I will be doing, she'll be standing in the front facing backward, and I'll stand in the back facing forward, and all we'll do is tip our weight forward and back, which sounds kind of bizarre. And it actually does. What it's all about it's really about this drone here. And so the human-powered watercraft showed me that what I needed to do was get a rigid body to oscillate about its center of displacement. And the oscillation I achieved with a simple outrunner-style electric motor with an inertial mass on it. The inertial mass in there right now is lead, and I have an electronic speed controller that spins the lead up one way and then the other, and that makes the craft oscillate like a fish when it goes. So this is just an experimental platform to understand the physics led to this guy. So we'll give it a try now and see if we go swimming or not.
How does that make you feel?
Is this the maiden voyage? Is this your maiden voyage?
No, it's not.
But this is the one where everything goes terribly wrong.
Caitlin.
Phones, people, phones out, people.
Hey, Caitlin, don't worry about that release you signed.
Tax Associated Drowner in the Sound.
Oh yeah, like you will hit this.
And then they all drown in the canal.
You know, I hear you have lifeguard training.
It's totally outdated. Oh, it's already
What could go wrong?
Okay. I know. I'm doing on
You got him there?
All right, look at that. Nice job. Whoa. All right. Look at that.
So this guy's well, exactly. I was thinking about that. You know?
Wow. Look at that. 10 knots, no exhaust fumes. Right?
That's great. Ooh, nice.
Wow.
People ride down the rail. So it's like a rail. Yeah. So do my group a favor and not come
Sort of like hazing shit.
Pretty amazing.
I'm not videoing this. I'm never going to talk about what happened here ever.
So that was so
Yes.
You research your floor.
Can you put
How does it belt?
Because they collected them up and then they've taken them away. So I still literally in my bag.
Like I totally can see it because you both always are depressed.
But we always say, like, we're stay together.
Alright, so I know it's kind I know, we didn't flip it, which was good.
Wonderful.
The level of, I know it seems kind of bizarre, like why is that significant? It's like the level of effort was very low. Like,
We saw that. You get
I mean, we were just like, apart from nearly flipping over, and actually we won, Caitlin was doing a great job. The amount of effort was very low, which for watercraft, it's hard to go through the water. You typically have to put out more effort to go at a walking pace. And there we were going at, I didn't measure it and we didn't have our technique down. But you can go at a walking pace for less effort than walking.
You were probably hitting 4